Hi, very good evening, everyone. Let me introduce myself. I'm Aishwarya Yu, and I recently qualified my CA finals in November 2020 examination. So after qualifying, actually, my LinkedIn, many students asked me how to prepare for CA finals or how you approach your CA finals. So I said them, like I have given a post in LinkedIn that I prepared by self study. So people have a lot of doubts regarding how to do that, whether it's possible. So I thought that it will be more useful if I prepare a video and post it in YouTube. So then in future also many people will benefit from that. So that's my intention for making this video. So let me give you a brief introduction how my journey was went. I prepared my CPT by self study, except for mercantile law and maths. My friend's hand helped me to get a knowledge about the mercantile law and the maths. But after that, for IPCC, actually, attended a morning class of ICAA Palkat branch for I think for 9 months. It was during my college days, so I was used to attend morning class. After that, I'm attending near my colleges. That's how it went. But that on November 2000, I think November 2015 was my first attempt. But actually I didn't clear that, but I got around 160 marks on that attempt for one first group. So it given me a belief that it will possible. So I after that I prepared myself and attempted in second attempt I cleared my IPCC first group. In third attempt I cleared my second group. But after that, actually, it was I joined for articleship. So as we know that there is a huge gap of 2.5 years for CA final, right? Actually, I joined for CA final SFM coaching class, but unfortunately, the teaching style of my sir and my learning won't match. It's not matching, so I just quit going for coaching classes, and I decided to go for self study. And there are some other issues also for opting for self study. But many people in the sense, everyone around me asked that no one CA final is tough, so no one can, no one, it's not possible for people's to um, clear CA final without coaching classes. So at least you should go for problem paper, you should go for coaching classes. But I said I was stick on my decision. I said that it's okay, let us see. I will anyway I will not be going for any coaching classes. I will be going for self study. I will go through that. So the questions came down. It was settling, and I was waiting for the new syllabus to came. When the new syllabus came, I just registered in new syllabus. I started my preparation. I given my first attempt examination, but the exam was went very well. Actually, I had some confidence that I will clear, but unfortunately it was a negative result. But that time I got enough time to prepare. I think I my principal given me 3 months to prepare for me. But anyhow, I have not cleared in that attempt. But after that, I didn't, to be frank, I didn't get enough time to prepare. Every time I was get only 1 month or 15 days. That's how the days I got to prepare. So it took me many attempt. I cleared, completely become a chartered accountant on my fifth attempt only. On my third attempt I cleared my first group. That too just passed, just 200. It's only the gods. I thank God that I cleared that attempt with 200 marks, because every time, even in my IPCC marks, everything was not just 200. It will always used to be about 200 to 30 to 40. That was how my range was. But finals, I just hoping that at least let me pass. That was how my mindset was. so I just cleared that exam. So my first group over, I joined with the YGDS. So the work, it was in busy season, so we didn't get enough exam leaves. So it was like a hurry burry. Everything was in a hurry burry. So I used to. There was no proper plan to study. I just had a plan, but I was not able to fulfill the plan. That's how my fourth attempt. It's also gone wasted. I mean, I didn't clear. But fifth attempt, it was it was a very fascinating and very different attempt for me. For everyone, it was like attempt in between the pandemic, but for me, not only the pandemic, it was my busy season from, and we were in new team, and I had no time to prepare as well. But here also God was with me, that I had my study partner Ajay Jos. He helped me throughout my exam days. Like he know that I am busy, and I will say that I am busy so that I am not studying. So we had a plan. He had his own plan to complete his chapters. I had a plan for myself, but I am not able to complete my plan every day due to my work schedules and everything. Every day I was sleeping at late night, uh, only because of work. So I was not studying, to be frank. So what we used to do is, he used to do daily calls in the morning. So morning we wake up early and we had 2 hours of call, and we will discuss every questions. We will choose a subject and we cover some chapters, some questions. And in night also we spend 1 or 2 hours for study. That's how my study time during November examination. And I got nearly 15 days, I think maximum 50 days of study leave. In that time only I covered everything. I revised in my second group everything during my that 15 days. Other than that, I was just completing everything. My revision was completed within 15 days of that study leave. That's how my journey went. Other than that, actually I was preparing for CS, company secretaryship. I cleared my CS executive in first attempt, both group. It was also just pass, but it was my self study. After that, I written my professional module 3. I cleared it. It's also self study, and I was prepared my module 1, but unfortunately I didn't clear. Only 1 or 2 marks difference I couldn't clear, but I got one paper exemption. So I have 2 papers left in my group module 1, and other 3 papers in module 2. So I have few 5 papers left with me to complete my CS also. So basically, from all this, I can say that without any doubt, if you ask me whether it's possible for a person to clear CA final with self study or any competitive examination, whether it's CMA or CS or CA, any professional examination with self study, I can with 100% uh, completely say that if you are willing to put your work, put your smart work plus hard work, and if you are very well, I mean, very much ready to plan and execute very well, then definitely it's possible for you to clear it with self study. That's I can assure you, because I'm here in front of you, that I have done it with my self study. I know many people who have done everything by self study. I know people personally. I know people outside of my personal surroundings. I know people who cleared it by self study. It may be because of their circumstances, or they may be chosen, but whatever it is possible. That's what I wanted to say to you. So I will give you few tips how it happened, or how you can proceed with that. Like first you should make your mindset clear that what you have to do, I mean what you are going to do, whether you are going to opt for coaching classes, or you are going to do self study, or you are planning to go for coaching classes for a few papers like SFM. If you take CA final, SFM is a problem paper. You may not able to understand all the concept by yourself. FR, you may not be able to understand all the concept by yourself. So if you are opting to go for coaching classes for problem papers, then definitely you can, no issues on that. So then you can opt for self study for all other paper, all other theory papers, you can opt for self study, no issues on that. It's all based on your, you must be aware about what are your strength and your weakness, then decide what are whether you are going for coaching class or self study. Okay. Then next one is, you should have a specific plan in the sense, not only the timetable. When I say a plan, I have a plan, I say it, I include in it a long term plan. That is, I must say, like if the November 2020 is the exam, then I will plan from now onwards. That is, in April, I will be, in the end of the April, I will be covering this much of portions. April, May, I will be covering this much of portions. So I will start from the behind, like from the last in November. So I will put last 2 months for revision. Then before that, I will be covering this much of areas. So that's how my long term plan will be, and then only I will be preparing my timetable in the sense, I will be preparing for every hour. That is, from morning I will be waking up this time, and I will devote this much hours from this to this hour, I will be preparing this subject likewise. So that should be your plan. And if you have now, you decided what you are going to do, whether self study or coaching class, and you are prepared your timetable. Now you should have a list of books which you are going to refer. I personally suggest ICAI modules, because um, in my I think that when I look back to my IPCC, CPT, or CA finals, I rarely bought. I will say what are the books I referred for CA, IPCC, or finals. For finals, for direct tax and indirect tax only, I have referred outside all those books. For direct tax, I preferred Banwar Borana sir's book, and indirect tax, I was gone for the compile. I think I don't remember actually the name. Um, it's a GST compiler of. Um, yeah, I really don't remember. I will comment it on your in the below link. I mean, comment. In these two subjects only, I preferred other books. I mean, reference books. For all other subjects, even in the optional paper, open book, everything I referred only the institute material. For IPCC also, for IPCC completely every subject I have referred only institute modules. And I must say that at least one reading, give one reading for the institute material. After that, you can just go through that, I mean make notes or whatever it is. If you are going for any coaching classes, so you can continue with that, but at least once, at least give a one reading of institute material. That is my suggestion, that is my personal experience. From my personal experience, I am saying that it's much worth. You will feel, I mean you will thank me later. Go through institute material. I know it's bulk. If you take direct tax institute material, I know it's bulk. GST material, it's bulk, completely bulk, I know. But at least give one reading for that. and don't forget to take printouts or buy all the latest, I mean all the last 5 or 6 attempts, suggested answers, mock test papers, revision test papers, and latest amendments. Take everything, print out of everything and make it handy. Use it regularly for while you are preparing. And for open book, I personally suggest to take all the case laws. Now I think it's given as digest. Take print out of that, or if it's available as book, take it as a book, I mean buy it. Otherwise take print out. It helped me in the last attempt in economic law. I got 71 marks only because I have taken the printouts of all the seven or eight case laws and all the mock test papers, all the revision test papers, everything. I had everything my printout, and there were questions completely all the same question repeated in the question paper. So I was able, I mean it was that optional book examination. When the exam is over, I was 100% confident that I will definitely get exemption on this paper, because I was so much sure on that. That's how my exam went. So I suggest you guys to take these points for your preparation. And if from another experience, if you are getting a good company or good companion for your preparation, like the one I got, thank god, like the one I got, Ajay Jose, if you can discuss the questions, if you can discuss your doubts, if you can have a good conversation regarding the subject, if anyone is available like that, you guys put together, it's that's called synergy. One plus one is not equal, I mean not equal to one, it's greater than one. Definitely it will give you much more benefits to your preparation for both of you, because we both cleared in this time. So I am so happy that we both cleared. It's only because the effort we put in, we given 100% effort in our companionship. So if any person, if you are a person who love to study alone, then it's okay. But if you are okay to, or if you are willing, or if you are comfortable with have a group or combined study, then definitely having a good companion will add value, I mean add advantage to both of you. That's my suggestion. So these are the few points I mean I wrote only for you guys to give a clarity whether it's possible to prepare it for self study, for CA, or whatever the professional examination. So if my purpose serves any one person, then definitely I will be happy. Please have comments on the give comments for improvement. I am actually planning to come up with many chapter wise classes on YouTube. So only if you guys are supporting me, then only it will boost up me to come up with a variety of topics. So if you are struggling with any topic of CA final, CA IPCC, or whatever, whatever it is, please give a comment in the, I mean give a comment on the below, so that I can prepare in that way. I'm actually planning to come up with subject, a particular subject, and chapter wise, because many people, I can see when I search in YouTube, I can see many YouTube videos, but it's a mixture of Hindi and English. So many people are struggling to understand that. So I'm planning to come up with a pure English video classes. So I need your support. So have I know if you are willing to put your effort for your career, if you are to attain your goal, definitely you will clear this examination. So all the best wishes for your examination, and thanks a lot for your patience and time. Thank you, and wish you all the good luck. Bye.